there are some real estate code words out there when you're looking at descriptions. I mean, what do you think a real estate agent really means when they say a house is cozy?
Small.
Right. What about a fixer-upper would be...
Selling as is, or it's very dated.
Right, something like that. There's a really important code word that you need to... Oh, one of my least favorite ones is this one's not going to last, because that is the kiss of death. Those are the ones that have been on the market for like 4 to 5 months. When it says this one is not going to last.
You're manifesting the exact opposite of what you had intended.
Like go back and listen to what Lisa talked about. You need to manifest what you want.
Yes.
And so the code word, if you're really wanting to get a good deal, is price to sell. And that's not just like, maybe anecdotally, it might be something that like they're really priced well, and so it's just going to sell at the price it's at.
Mm-hmm.
There are statistics that show that if it says price to sell in the listing, it is really a code word for we've got some wiggle room here and we're going to take an offer. So it varies based on metro. There are different discounts that can be expected from price to sell homes. For instance, Little Rock, Arkansas, which was number 1 on the list, the price to sell discount was 23% off of the listing, which is crazy to me.
Yeah, it is.
The median savings on that, $57,000. St. Louis, Missouri, 18.7%. Median savings, $49,000. Tulsa, Oklahoma, only 11.4%. So, but that equated to $32,000 in savings. So I guess what I would say is, as a seller, if you really don't plan on having a lot of negotiation room, don't have price to sell in your listing description. Make sure your agent is not throwing you under the bus doing that.
Right.
But if you are like, hey, I am negotiable, I'm going to work with people, I just want to get rid of this property, I guess add price to sell in there. It does really statistically hold weight.